Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CPSP, a symbol of national unity, reflected on 14th August 2026 on occasion of Independence Day celebration. The College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan celebrated Pakistan's Independence Day at all its headquarters in Karachi and all regional and international centers with a ceremony that brought together distinguished national leaders, senior CPSP leadership, council members, faculty, staff, and representatives from CPSP regional and international centers. The event reflected the spirit of patriotism, unity, academic excellence, and national service. Senator Amir Waliuddin Chishti, Chairman Senate Standing Committee on National Health Regulations and Coordination, graced as chief guest. The ceremony was also graced by the President CPSP, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gundul, and Vice President Professor Muhammad Masroor, along with distinguished council members and senior fellows of CPSP. Among the prominent guests of honor were Chief Guest Honorable Senator Mr. Amir Waliuddin Chishti, Guest of Honors Professor Tariq Rafi, Chairman HAC Sindh, Professor Abdul Bari Khan, CEO Indus Hospital, Professor Masood Hamid, former President PMDC and Vice Chancellor Dow University, Professor Shahid Parvez, and Professor Asghar Channa. Senior CPSP leadership including DGNRP Professor Mahmood Ayaz, DGME Professor Amir Zaman Khan, and DGIR Professor Asghar Butt, also council members and region directors and heads of departments. The program commenced with the recitation of the Holy Quran, flag hoisting ceremony, and national anthem, followed by prayers for the peace, prosperity, stability, and progress of Pakistan and CPSP. The celebrations also included a tree plantation activity and traditional Independence Day cake cutting ceremony, symbolizing growth, hope, sustainability, and national pride. The ceremony commenced with a welcome address by the present CPSP, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, who warmly welcomed the chief guest, Honorable Chairman Senate Mr. Amir Waliuddin Chishti, along with the distinguished guest of honor, including Professor Tariq Rafi, Chairman HAC Sindh, Professor Abdul Bari Khan, CEO of the Indus Hospital and former President of PMDC and Vice Chancellor of Dow University, Professor Masood Hamid, Professor Shahid Parvez, and Professor Asghar Channa. He also extended a warm welcome to the council members, faculty, staff, and participants attending the Independence Day celebration. A key highlight of the event was the presentation of CPSP national and international achievements and updates by the Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gundul. The presentation highlighted the institution's major developments, milestones, academic contributions, and expanding the national and international role in postgraduate medical education. The achievements were highly appreciated by the distinguished guests and participants. The ceremony was also demonstrated the nationwide and the international reach of CPSP with the council members, region directors, and representatives joining online from centers across Pakistan and abroad. Messages and Independence Day greetings were shared from CPSP International Center, including Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Birmingham, UK, Dublin, Ireland, and national centers including Bahawalpur, Faisalabad, Gambit, Gilgit, Hyderabad, Islamabad, Lahore, Larkana, Multan, Muzaffarabad, Nawab Shah, Peshawar, Quetta, Rahim Yar Khan, Rawalpindi, Sawat, Loralai, and Turbat, reflecting the unity of the wider CPSP family. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Masood Hamid reflected on his long association with CPSP since 1993 and appreciated the remarkable progress of the institution and the achievements of the current council. He acknowledged CPSP continued efforts towards greater national and international recognition and higher standards. A particular significant highlight was the address by the Honorable Chairman, Senate Standing Committee, Mr. Amir Waliuddin Chishti, who congratulated CPSP on the Independence Day celebration and appreciated its important academic contribution and role in postgraduate medical education. He assured CPSP of the Senate team's full support in its academic endeavors, acknowledging CPSP as one of the country's leading degree awarding and regulatory bodies. His remarks highlighted the importance of national unity, collective responsibility, academic excellence, and continued progress. The ceremony concluded with a vote of thanks by Vice President Professor Muhammad Masroor, followed by a concluding dua led by Dr. Fayaz Ahmed Ranja. The event served as a meaningful reflection of CPSP commitment to excellence, unity, and service to Pakistan. The Independence Day celebration at CPSP was a celebration of Pakistan, progress, and unity, bringing together the CPSP family across regions and borders with a shared commitment to excellence in medical education and a stronger, healthier, and more prosperous Pakistan. CPSP, united in excellence, committed to the national services, Pakistan, Zindabad, CPSP, Paindabad.